Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. Now this is the second section on how to install your BremdyProMax investment copy trading website. Now if you're new to Big Giant Tech guys, please hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment on my YouTube videos. So let's dive in. I'm using cPanel for this video section, so ensure you use cPanel, not hPanel, for this video section. Now if you want to install this script, use cPanel only. Okay, alright. So if you go to your cPanel section, just go straight to your file manager. So go straight to your public_HTML. So mine is empty. I'll go to upload. So I'll select my app.zip file here. I'll click on open. So guys, while this is uploading, go back to your cPanel environment. Ensure you create your company email account. Go to email account, create your email account. Ensure to save your information on your notepad, which is very, very important. So after you've created your email account, let's go straight to creating and setting up our database. So scroll down to where you have database wizard. So let me just fill out this information. This is for our DB name. Then click on next step. So you click on password generate. Copy this. Save this to your notepad. And click on I have copied this and use password. Then click on create users. Now after you've done that, copy this to your database information. You save this. Then you come back to all privileges, click on it. Then click on next step. So I'll go back to my cPanel. Scroll down to where you have phpMyAdmin. So all these are demos. So click on the demo test we just created. Go to import, choose your file, and this is our database. Click on open and import. So do not open another tab, just wait while this upload. Now this has been uploaded successfully. So if yours did not upload successfully, just click on structure, go down to where you have check all, click on drop. If you click on drop, it will drop all the database information, then you will upload the database again. So that's how it's being done. Okay, and also the next section here is, let me just take this out. Let's truncate our activities and sections to clean out our files. Once you go to activities, so you just click on SQL and just copy this truncate table section, but this is under activities. Go to activities, click on it and click on go. Now this will clear out all activities from the previous demo. If you go to session, do the same thing. You also truncate this. Now this is where we're cleaning out all informations from the database. Now you go straight to where we have, go back to your file we are uploading. As you can see, our file has been uploaded successfully. If yours did not show you green, ensure you will upload again. If not, there are certain files that will be missing. You're having issues with IDs while uploading. Then exit section, reload this and extract. But before I extract this file, since we are using cPanel, click on this setting section and ensure this is on home directory, show hidden files and disable characters encoding, and click save. Then once you extract this, all files will be shown. Good. So delete your zip file. The next section here is go to your .env, edit this. So go back to copy your database we created. And also your database password. Very important. Now change this session lifetime to 15. I'll come back to this section. Then change this to your company domain name. Then change this to your website's name. Okay. Now I'll keep this app _debug true because we're installing. So in case you get to see any errors, we're able to fix it. But if you are in production, if you are done with errors, just take it back to false, so it won't be showing why users are on the website. Okay, so we've taken our session lifetime to 15, which is good. Then I'll click on save changes. Exit section. Ensure your .env is 600 permission. Then go to config. Go to session.php, edit this. Take this to 15. Change this to true. Change this to true. Then save changes and exit section. Then you go back to your public_HTML. Go to Bootstrap, Cache, mark this and delete. The one I marked is what you are deleting. Okay, then go back again, go to storage, go to logs. You can delete this log. This is from the previous file. Go to framework, go to views, select all and delete all this. So I'll go back again. So we're good to go. We're good to go, guys. So this is our website. Now ensure your your PHP version is from 8.1 and above. If not, it won't work. So go back to your public_HTML. Go to where we have, let's say, so go to routes, go to admin.php, edit this. Now you can see this section here. We have BremPro login. Now I want you guys to change this section to your name you want. It can be a different name, not your domain name, something different people won't guess, which is very, very important for security reasons. Do not add login to it. Just a name people won't guess or try to figure out. Okay, so let me just copy this. After you've done that, ensure you click save. So this should be my domain name /admin/ your initials you put. So once I go back to PHP admin, go to admin, edit this section, change this to your admin email, and for the password section, change this, repeat your password. Let me just copy this. After you've imputed your password, come to this box here, scroll down to password_hash and click on go. So once you come here, put your email and put your password, then sign in. You can see we have successfully signed into this platform. Okay, so I won't be going through too deep on this. I have a reason. I will show you guys how to able to use most of the sections, which is very important. So come back to settings, go to app settings, go to website information, change all this to your website name, Do not forget to change this to your website's URL. Remove the slash behind it. Okay, this works for your referrals, so remove the slash behind it. Now this is for the logo section. Once you design your logo, come to this section to update it. So I've uploaded the logos. I'll click on update. Now this is good. Let me just copy the URL and open a new tab. So after we've uploaded our logo, as you can see, it's not showing at the front end, and also our favicon is not showing. Now this has to do with the shortcut storage section. So if you go to public, you won't be able to see it here. Okay, so we just have to do 3 steps. Now I'm doing this section for those who have gotten this script before and finding it difficult to be able to fix this issue. Okay, so the very first thing, go to your installation guide I sent you. If you scroll down, you're able to see if storage is not working. First thing, go back to your .htaccess. So go to your .htccess, edit it. So you have to delete everything and upload this new .htccess to your file. Then click save changes. Once you're done with this, go straight to your public, create a file which is fix-link.php. Create new file, then just upload this, add all this code, then edit this file, so just paste the code I'm giving you guys, click save changes. Then go back to go to config, scroll down to where you have file system.php, scroll down to the public section, okay, yes, correct, so you don't need to do that. So I'm throwing out errors just in case we have errors, but I don't believe it. Do not just leave this one like this. Okay, do not touch this section here. So go back to your website. Since we created a fixed link, go to your domain, your domain slash fixedlink.php. Then you click enter. As you can see, perfect, we've created a short link for our storage. If we go to public, you're able to see the storage here. So let me go back to the website and let me reload this section here. As you can see, our logo is showing, which is very good. It works perfectly well now. So exit this section, now go back to your public, ensure you delete this fixed link after you fix the URL for your routing of the images. Ensure you delete this fix-link.php. Very, very important. Then you confirm this. Good, so we're good to go, guys. We're good to go. Let me go back to my dashboard, which is the admin. Go to your website information, feed out this information. Let me upload the images again. So I've uploaded the images again. I can see our logo is showing. As I come back to this section, you can see our new logo and our favicon is working perfectly well. So this is how you do it. Now if you want to use Ostinga has issue of the short link, because in which show you just copy it, to copy the storage folder to your public, which is not good. But if you're an advanced dev like me, I will be able to do that. But I'm not using Ostinga to explain this for newbies, so I want you guys to use cPanel for better understanding. to get it exactly the way I'm doing it. So go back to your admin, go to your app settings, go to preference. So you copy your company email. You can turn on KYC, enable email, purchase stock, and you click save. Then go to the email settings, put in your email information here. So if you are using Hostinger, it's sntp.hostinger.com, or you're using normal cPanel, the very first email you get in your inbox, which is your webmail, is your mail configuration settings. So just go to the outgoing server, copy your outgoing server information and put it here. Mine is mail dot, then your password. After you've done that, click save. So we're good to go. So all these are the minor settings I'm showing you guys in this section. So all this is quite easy to do, but I won't go deep because I want you guys to watch another video on how to actually set this up. If you are using the only difference with that one here is the forex trading, which is added, as you can see, which is good. So what next is, let me show you guys. So go to Google, search on Big Giant Tech Media or Big Giant Tech, click on my YouTube. I'll go to videos. Now this is a video how to build crypto exchange like Binance. Now this has P2P exchange. It has all kind of features, over 16 features on cryptocurrency, on crypto trading. Now it has everything, so you just have to watch this video. It has also timer on for you to be able to navigate each section, which is very mandatory. So as you can see, let me just show you guys. If you click on more, you're able to see each section. So for the forex trading, crypto trading, the one that is inside yours, you're able to just navigate there and be able to understand it better. Okay, so that is it on this, and I hope you guys like this video. If you want more of this, please hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment on Big Giant Tech. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.